Hello traders, welcome back to this YouTube channel. My name is Akin Lakine, I'm the lead instructor. So guys, I welcome you to this particular video on how to catch multiple spike trading crash 500. So I'm not going to waste most of our time, so we should go straight to the strategies. First of all, we go to the indicators we are going to be needing. We are only needing two indicators for this strategy, which are the average directional index movement, which is the ADX, and the MACD, moving average convergence divergence. So first of all, let's add the ADX to our chart. So ADX is a trend indicator. So just click on it. On the period, we leave it at the default period, which is the period 14. So on the style, you change the style to the background color of your chart. You understand? So because we don't need this style, so we have to keep it hidden. So we don't want it to display on the chart. So we need it to work at the back end. So put it at the color at the background color of your chart. So then the positive division is the what we need. So you are using any color of your choice. So I selected green color. So you can also do as well, use green color or change the color to another color of your choice. Though that is the first color that come with the style, the positive deviation. So the negative deviation also is going to work at the back end. You don't need it to display on the chart. So you have to use the background color of your chart again so that it will be hidden. So I'm using white background. That is why I put it at white. So now come to this level. So on this level, add four levels. The level 0, 97, 5, and 10. Those are the level that is going to be useful for us. So for those that's just trading for their first time on MT5, this is how to add level. So just click on this positive sign here. So click on, tap on it till you have four line. So the first one you put 97, 97, sorry, you put 97. So followed by 10, then followed by 5, then follow by 0. So once you have done that, just click on this by back at this arrow there. So confirm your settings for your indicators. Make sure it is aligned and correct with what you are seeing on the screen. So if that has been complete, just click on save. So when you add it correctly, you should have something like this on the chart. You should have the ADX, just the positive deviation on the chart on the indicator window one. So you have to go back to add the second indicator. The second indicator, which we said is the MACD. So click on the MACD. The settings is also the fourth setting. The only thing you are changing on this MACD is the signal. You understand? Click on the signal, change the color to the background color of your chart again. We don't need the signal, we want to work at the back end. So we don't need the signal to be visible on the chart. You understand? So we have to hide it also. So put the color at the background color of change the color to the background color of your chart. You understand? So after you have done this, make sure your settings or the parameter setting is the same as what you can see on the screen. Then click on save after you have done that. Now let's go to the chart. So make sure you have something like this on your chart too. Make sure you have something displaying on your chart like this. So how do we use this strategy to catch the spike? Number one thing I want you to understand about this strategy is that this strategy has been in the market for a very long time. This strategy has been working in the market for a very long time. You understand? So it is very good in every market condition. You know, a very good strategy will last long. A very good strategy will last long in the market. So because I like looking out for the strategy, I know this strategy has been long in the market, it has been making money for traders. I like to go back to those strategy and recreate it. You understand? Because there is no reason looking for something that doesn't last. So longevity is matter in everything we do. So now, we have the positive deviation. First of all, let's check at the level of the ADX. We have the 0, 5, 10, 97 level. So when the price make the positive deviation come to the 97 level, you get ready to catch spike, but you don't enter yet. You understand? So how do you enter the trade? Then after confirming the positive deviation has get to the level 97 of the ADS, that is where you wait for the MACD. You understand? Wait for the MACD. The MACD will give you the entry. So let's look for a sample. You can see here. Okay, fine. This is a good example. So the positive deviation has crosses the level 97, then the MACD touch the 97 here. So you will have sell at this level. That way, the place the arrow is pointing, you'll have place your sell at that level. Then this spike will have got this spike out. I don't know if you get the explanation. So there's something I want to explain is that it doesn't really matter the positive deviation, which is the green line, crosses the level 97 of the ADS. Once it gets close and the MACD is touching, you can see this place now. This is what I'm explaining here. This is a valid signal. So you can see how many spike, you can see how long the spike is. You can see this is a very long spike. So this strategy, you can also use this strategy in both way to pick candles and also to catch spike. So I'm going to drop a video on how to um, make this video to scalp crash 500. One thing I want you to understand is that this strategy is limited to Crash 500. It doesn't work on any other market. It's just for Crash 500. That is what I've confirmed for a very long time, more than a year. Strategy that has been making the market and it's been giving consistency profits. You understand? So it's a very good strategy that has the longevity and still doesn't lose its win rate, that is giving higher win rate to the traders. And one thing about me is that I always tell the beginners, if you are funding your account with small account, try to go for spike than scalping, because with spike you'll be able to manage your risk very well. I believe you understand what I mean. With spike you'll be able to manage your risk very well. If you are scalping now, let's assume you go for a buy at this level, scalping, maybe you are counting 5 to 10 candle and this spike begin. You know that all this spike will take you out, will blow your account 100% if you are trading like $5 to $10 account. But let's assume she want to catch spike. So I'm waiting for a good example. Let's assume you enter for spike here. So you sell at this level. So you expect spike to happen. So when spike did not happen, you'll be seeing the your money decreasing like in a in record manner. You understand? Or let me say in sluggish manner because you'll be counting it minus one, minus two, minus three, minus four. So it is very, very easy for you to stop the loss at a particular price than cashing scalping where spike is just going to drag. Even if you use stop loss, spike is going to drag your stop loss to the end of that spike. But if you use stop loss there, let's assume you place your buy at this level, then your stop loss is here. Once the market hits it will send you out, and then you have money in your account to try another time. So but if you don't add that, your account is gone. So guys, I'm going to come out with the video on how to cash spike just to count your 4 to 5 candle and assist. So guys, I wish you happy trading and always trade responsible. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this particular video. Drop your comment under the comment section if you understand the strategy, and if it works for you, let us know, and if it doesn't, drop your comment. So guys, I will say this again, I don't offer any paid program. You understand? So everything I do is free. So my Telegram channel is free. Drop signal there. You can join. Find the link under the description of this video. You understand? So and also I'm also affiliating for Xness. So one of the best brokers for people trading currency pair and commodity and other financial markets. So you can use my link to register with them. If you register with them, you can add it to my signal channel for currency pair and the indices, commodities, or the financial markets. So guys, I wish you happy trading and always trade responsible.